You will love this 5-bedroom/3-bath home with 1.74 acres, seasonal mountain view, private backyard with fencing for your pets, and only 1 mile from shopping, restaurants, and grocery stores. This is a multi-level house, but for those who cannot climb many stairs, the owners have installed a new ramp in the back, which has a very gradual incline into the property. Main level has a very spacious living room, fireplace with gas logs, unvented, dining room, and kitchen. All appliances stay including refrigerator, stove, dishwasher, microwave, as well as washer and dryer. Lower level has a large bedroom, an additional bedroom, laundry room, and full bath. Upper level has the main bedroom with vaulted ceilings, bath, garden tub and separate shower, 2 additional bedrooms, and bath. Additional points of interest include 2-car garage, Brink security system, new ceiling fans, new light fixtures.